well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be diving into the Lush kitchen subscription box for March. I honestly cannot quite believe that we're already into the third box of the year. We have 9 boxes left, which is absolutely insane to me. I feel like we literally just started the year 5 minutes ago, so that is a little bit terrifying. However, I am so excited about this month's box. I have got no idea what is inside, and I feel like I've done really well with avoiding social media recently. Work has been so busy, so I haven't really had the time to just like sit on my phone and that kind of thing. Like after work, we've been working late, so this is a really nice treat and I'm very excited about it. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I am so excited to dive into this box, so let's go. I hope you guys enjoy. Carry on watching. Forgot to say that bit. So the first thing in the box is this beautiful card, and on the back it says, "Feel good florals, blossom in Mother Nature's sweet embrace with uplifting citrus and delicate floral essential oils." I could not read that word. Essential oils. And it has a little scan me for exclusive content. Would you like to scan it? It's out of focus, I'm really sorry, so just scan it if you want to scan it. Okay, cool. Let's dive into the items. Oh, okay, I cannot actually remember what this smells like, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the Mamma Mia exclusive shower scrub. I believe we have had this before, and I'm pretty sure it was like fluorescent pink, so I'm excited to see if it's the same. Ingredients wise, it has fine sea salt, bergamot oil, grapefruit puree, rose clay, vanilla, rosewood. I'm just really excited to give it a smell because I cannot remember what it smells like. So let's see. And is it bright pink like it was before? I hope so. It was really nice before. It is. Oh, it looks exactly the same. Don't know why I'm surprised. Not like it would be any different, but yeah. Oh, it smells like, and this is going to sound really weird, but to any of you guys that have this or remember what this smells like or anything, to me it smells like when you're a kid and you have like a doll, you know, like a baby born, baby Annabelle. I'd love to know down below if you're from the UK or anywhere that had those dolls. Were you a baby born, a baby Annabelle, or was there a few others? I can't remember. I would love to know though. I was a baby Annabelle, then I did get a baby born, but that is what this smells like. It smells like a baby born doll. A lot of people would assume that the smell of a plastic doll wouldn't smell good, but it's very nostalgic, so I really like the smell of that. So I'm really excited about it. I feel like I would have appreciated a large size, but that is just me being greedy probably. But we'll sort of see how many items are in this box and then we can come back to that. But that was the first item. Very impressed. Next up, there is a bottle. Okay, we have a medium. Oh no, it's a small. Never mind, it's a small size. Ooh, okay, this is the Electro shower gel. Have we had this before? I feel like we've had this before. I feel like I still have this. Maybe I'm making it up. On the bottle, this one says, "The zing of grapefruit sweeps you away to breakfast in Paris, while rose petal infusion and exotic jasmine sweetens your skin." And ingredients wise, this one has got rose petals, grapefruit oil, rose absolute, jojoba oil, sea salt. I'm just gonna smell it. I'm not gonna lie, in this box there seems to be like powdered, what's it called, like stuff, and it's just going everywhere. But let's give this one a smell. I'm really excited about it. Oh, okay, like she is full. I feel like that's uber full. Am I losing my sense of smell? I can only describe it as a very subtle avo bath mixed with like rose jam. It's really good though, and I absolutely love the colour. I wouldn't necessarily say this is very Mother's Day springy, but I really like the colour, I really like the smell. I would have liked a bigger bottle. That's the only thing, but I'm very excited about that, so let's move on. That one was, I can't even get my words out, I'm very excited. If you didn't know, it's also 9:15 at night. I'm absolutely exhausted, but we're continuing on. Let's go to the next item. What do we have? Oh, okay, we have Whole Lot of Roses Kitchen Fun. Now, I don't know why I say kitchen after every single one. It's really beautiful though. It's got a really nice dark pink to light pink and green. I guess you can make some roses with it. That's kind of the point. Ingredients wise, in this one, we have got rose absolute, geranium oil, rose oil, lemon oil. I'm very excited to give it a smell. Is it going to smell like rose jam? Oh, wait, there was that bubble bar. and I absolutely loved it, and it was white and it had a little rose in it. And then they made some other ones for I think Mother's Day possibly, and it was like a rose with a green leaf. Maybe this smells like that. I absolutely loved that. Let's smell it and see, because I'm very excited now. I don't know if it does actually. Hang on. No, it just smells like rose jam. But it smells good though. I love the smell of rose jam, so I'm really, really, really excited about this. The only thing, again, I would have loved a full size, because so far we've kind of got quite small items, but I feel like fun for me anyway. I don't always use it particularly. It's not my favourite thing, but I am excited to give that a try. Love the smell. Really good for bath cocktails if you ever want to use it up. Best way to do it. The next item we have got, ooh, okay, so this is a naked product, and this is, ooh, okay, this looks weird, but I'm kind of excited about it. We have a bubble bar. This is really cool. It's got a load of dried flowers on it, and this is called Flower Tub, and this one has got orange flower absolute, cypress oil, olibanum resinoid, violet leaf absolute, dried blue larkspur, I have no idea what that is, marigold petals, rose petals. Let's smell it. It smells like a garden. I don't know why I expected it to not smell like a garden. It's green and it has actual garden things in it. I just thought it would smell more floral as opposed to like moss. This smells similar, wait, I feel like this smells like that soap that I used to absolutely hate that had the moss on it. Devil's Nightcap. Rank. Not my favourite, not gonna lie. I will use it. I will use it in a bath cocktail, maybe mix it with like the green of this, and then maybe like a sweeter bath bomb to kind of make it smell nice, but I would not choose this, if that makes sense. Like I wouldn't say to myself, oh, I need to have that, you know. The more I smell it, it's just average. Like it just smells like gardeny. If you don't like gardens, you won't like it, hence why I'm not that much of a fan. But anyway, I'm just gonna move on. Not my favourite, anyway. And last but not least, in this box we have got, ooh, oh, this is different. Okay, this is the Ring of, hang on, I can't get my words out. A Ring of Roses Buttercream. Smooth all over to cleanse skin, and then rinse and reveal the fresh floor. Oh, okay, so this is basically like a solid body conditioner. That makes sense. Ingredients wise, I haven't even shown you. This is what it looks like. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, lemon oil, rose petals, primrose oil, rose absolute, orange oil. Oh, this smells good. This smells familiar as well. This smells a lot more lemony than this one with the lemon and the rose. This is a lot more like zingy. But I cannot get my words out. Still smells floral. That smells really good. I like that a lot. And I guess you literally just rub it onto your skin in the shower. Wow. Oh, that's yum. Love it. Very good. Very good. Very nice indeed. I am covered in garden now. So that is everything for the Lush Kitchen subscription box for March. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this box down below. I think this definitely isn't my favourite box ever. I feel like I would have loved this to have been a medium size, or this to have been a larger size, especially because the fun was also like half size. I feel like that would have been quite nice, and maybe a little bath bomb or something would have been really good as well to just kind of up the box. But other than that, I really liked everything apart from the garden bubble bar, not my favourite. I really liked everything else, so let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you get this box? Let me know. And yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.